everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in continuation with the videos on upper limb, today we are going to discuss breasts or mammary glands. In the last video I talked about pectoral region, in which I discussed that breasts or mammary glands are the most important structures present in this region. See, breasts are present both in males and females, but in case of males they are rudimentary, and in females it is an accessory organ of the female reproductive system, so it is of more importance. And it is important because it helps in the nutrition of the infants. So it is very important and most asked question from this topic. So we are going to discuss it under various headings. First is its situation, where it is present, quadrants, its division, extent, deep relations, structures, blood supply, nerve supply, lymphatic drainage, and clinical. First is the situation. It lies in the superficial fascia of pectoral region. This we have already discussed in the last video. Please, if you haven't watched the video, I'll give the link in the description box. So please go through it if you want to understand this topic more clearly. कि हम breast को quadrants में कैसे divide करते हैं. In this diagram we can see कि हमने पहले एक वर्टिकल लाइन से उसको दो पार्ट्स में डिवाइड कर दिया. जो हमारा स्टर्नल एंगल की तरफ होगा, स्टर्नम की तरफ होगा, दैट इज़ द मीडियल पार्ट, एंड जो हमारा एक्जिला की तरफ होगा दैट इज़ द लैटरल पार्ट. व्हाट इज़ एक्जिला? बेसिकली हम उसके ऊपर पूरा एक वीडियो कवर करेंगे, बट ऐसे समझ लीजिए अभी कि एक्जिला इज़ योर आर्मपिट. देन जब हमने उसको मीडियल और लैटरल में डिवाइड कर लिया, then we have to divide it to the upper and the lower compartments. So हमारे पास चार compartments बन जाएंगे: upper medial, lower medial, upper lateral and the lower lateral. And also we have a small extension from the upper lateral quadrant. This is known as axillary tail of Spence, and the foramen through which it is passing, it is known as foramen of Langer, and it is where it is going to the deep fascia, and it lies in the axilla. The extent of the breast. So इसी डायग्राम में आ जाएगा समझ. The extent of the breast, it is from second rib to the sixth rib. इसको ऐसे समझना, जो हमारा निपल है that lies in the fourth intercostal space. So vertically it extends from second rib to the sixth rib, and horizontally it extends from the lateral border of sternum. This is the sternum. ये मैंने लाइन जो बनाई है, this is indicating the presence of sternum. This is indicating the presence of clavicle. So horizontally it extends from sternum, lateral border to the mid axillary line. जो axilla है उसका जो mid portion, उसके बीच में से जो एक लाइन पास करती है, mid axillary line, हॉरिजॉन्टल एक्सटेंड ब्रेस्ट का वहाँ तक है. सो आई थिंक टिल नाउ जितना हमने कवर किया दैट इज़ वेरी इजी टू अंडरस्टैंड. सिचुएशन, क्वाड्रेंट्स एंड एक्सटेंट. नेक्स्ट इज द डीप रिलेशंस. डीप रिलेशंस मीन्स व्हाट लाइज अंडर द ब्रेस्ट. सो इसके लिए आप एक सिंपल 3 वर्ड्स याद कर लीजिए, दी P, M and S. P means pectoral fascia, M stands for 3 muscles that are present under breasts, and S stands for a space, that is a retromemory space. So pectoral fascia is the deep fascia of pectoralis major that lies under the breasts. 3 muscles that are found beneath the breasts are pectoralis major, serratus anterior, and external oblique muscle of abdomen. Right now you just remember the names. This can be asked in vivas. Next is a retromemory space. It is a space formed because the breasts are separated from the pectoral fascia by loose areolar tissue. Okay, so this separation, this causes a presence of space This is known as retromemory space, and because of this loose areolar tissue, the normal breast, they can move freely over pectoralis major. These are responsible for the free movement of breast over the muscle pectoralis major. आते हैं स्ट्रक्चर पे, सो फटाफट इन शॉर्ट स्ट्रक्चर कर लेते हैं. तो वी स्टडी स्ट्रक्चर अंडर 3 हेडिंग: स्किन, पेरेन्काइमा एंड स्ट्रोमा. जो स्किन होती है दैट कवर्स होल ऑफ द ब्रेस्ट. जो प्रोमिनेंट स्ट्रक्चर्स होते हैं दैट आर निप्पल एंड द एरियोला. The nipple, it is present in the fourth intercostal space. It is a conical projection, and as we discussed, it is present in the fourth intercostal space. और इसकी जो presence, इसकी जो location है exactly mid sternal line से 10 centimeters lateral it is present. Okay, and the areola, it is a dark pigmented structure present around the nipple. जो निपल होता है उसमें हमारे पास मॉडिफाइड स्वेट ग्लैंड्स और सेबेशियस ग्लैंड्स होते हैं. दोज आर वेरी फ्यू, एंड मेजर इसमें हमारी सर्कुलर और स्मूथ मसल्स होती हैं टू कीप इट स्टिफ. द एरियोला, इट हैज़ sebaceous glands. Those glands, they become enlarged at the time of pregnancy, and they form tubercles of Montgomery, and because of which the oily secretions, they lubricate the nipple so that they do not undergo cracking at the time of lactation. We have the parenchyma. तो जो हमारी ब्रेस्ट होती है उसमें लोब्स प्रेजेंट होते हैं दैट आर 15 to 20 इन नंबर. उन लोब्स के अंदर एल्वुलाई या एसिनाइज होते हैं दैट कंटेन्स द मिल्क. Those are drained by the lactiferous ducts, and at the termination of each duct there are lactiferous sinuses. Those are also 15 to 20 in number. Okay, so this is about parenchyma, and then we have the stroma, and stroma is basically the structural supporting framework जो हमारी ब्रेस्ट को सपोर्ट करता है. दैट इज़ पार्टली fibrous and partly fatty. In this diagram we can see the region, this region, this is stroma. This also contains some suspensory ligaments which anchor the skin of the breasts to the pectoral fascia. This structure here, this is the pectoral fascia, and हमने जैसे पहले बात करी थी कि इन दोनों के बीच में लूज एरियोलर टिश्यू होता है, द रेट्रोमेम्ब्री स्पेस. ओके, एंड दिस इज द पेक्टोरालिस मेजर. So this is all about the structure. It is a long topic and very important, so we cannot skip anything. So we will cover it in 2 parts: the blood supply, nerve supply, lymphatic drainage and clinical, that we will discuss in the next video. So please stay tuned, and if you like the video, please share, press the like button. If you want to give any suggestions, please comment down below, and please subscribe to my channel, as number of views and number of subscribers do not match at all. So thank you very much. Bye bye.